here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Accumulating snowfall is expected Sunday through Monday morning. Accumulations from 4 to 8 inches are possible with isolated higher totals. Blowing snow is also possible on Monday. A winter storm watch is in effect for much of the area. Periods of dangerous wind chills are expected next week. The coldest temperatures will occur from Tuesday into Thursday, when wind chills of 30 below to 50 below are likely. Spotter information statement: Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. Heavy snow and blowing snow Sunday and Monday. A winter storm watch has been issued for much of central and southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin from Sunday afternoon into Monday afternoon. The watch is in effect for locations generally along and south of an Alexandria to Rush City to Ladysmith line. Snowfall amounts in the 5 to 9 inch range are possible with isolated higher totals. Blowing snow will also become a concern on Monday as northwest winds become gusty. A winter storm watch means there is potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area today. Mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Highs around 11. South winds around 5 miles an hour shifting to the west in the afternoon. Lowest wind chills around 21 below in the morning. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 9 below. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Lowest wind chills around 22 below. Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning, then snow likely in the afternoon. Snow accumulation around 1 inch. Highs around 7. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour shifting to the southeast in the afternoon. Chance of snow 70%. Lowest wind chills around 22 below. Sunday night, not as cold. Snow. Snow may be heavy at times in the evening. Snow accumulation of 6 to 7 inches. Lows around 2. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 90%. And now, the extended forecast. Monday, cloudy. A 50% chance of snow in the morning. Highs around 10. Monday night and Tuesday, colder. Partly cloudy. Lows around 13 below. Highs around 7 below. Tuesday night through Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 23 below. Highs around 11 below. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs around 4 below. Thursday night and Friday, not as cold. Partly cloudy. Lows around 13 below. Highs around 10. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today. Mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Highs around 11. South winds around 5 miles an hour shifting to the west in the afternoon. Lowest wind chills around 21 below in the morning. The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, January 25th, 2019. Yesterday's high temperature of 5 degrees occurred at 4:16 p.m. The record high is 58 degrees, which was set in 1944. Yesterday's low temperature of -9 occurred at 8:25 a.m. The record low is -31 degrees, which was set in 1904. No precipitation fell yesterday. No snow fell yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 24 degrees, and the normal low is 8. The record high for today is 52, which occurred in 1931, and the record low is -26, which occurred in 1897. Sunrise today is at 7:39 a.m., and sunset is at 5:12 p.m. This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis, St. Paul, on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, serving listeners central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 9:53 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9 a.m., in the Twin Cities, light snow was falling. The visibility was 1¼ miles. It was -1 degrees, or -18 degrees Celsius. The dew point was -5. The relative humidity was 82%. The wind was southeast at 8 miles an hour. The wind chill was -15. The pressure was 29.99 inches and falling. Around the metro, snow was falling with a temperature of -1 at St. Paul, -2 at South St. Paul, 0 at Crystal, 1 at Lane, -1 at Eden Prairie, and 0 at Lakeville. Around the state, snow was falling with a temperature of -2 at Rochester, -3 at St. Cloud, -7 at Brainerd, 0 at Alexandria, and 11 at Marshall. At Bemidji, haze was reported with a temperature of -16. At Duluth, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of -9. It was cloudy with a temperature of -25 at Hibbing and -18 at International Falls. At Mankato, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 2. Around Wisconsin, at Bay City, snow was falling with a temperature of -2. It was partly sunny with a temperature of -2 at Osceola, -8 at Rice Lake, -12 at Madison, and -2 at Milwaukee. It was cloudy with a temperature of -8 at Eau Claire and -10 at La Crosse. At Green Bay, it was fair with a temperature of -12. Across the Dakotas, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was -5 at Fargo and 17 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, at Des Moines, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 4. At Mason City, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 2. Once again at 9 a.m. in the Twin Cities, it was -1 degree. The wind chill was -15, with light snow.